Welcome to the SHE Expo. Please watch this video for tips on how to get around the Expo website and how to use Zoom to visit the exhibitors during live exhibitor hours the day of the Expo. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to this main Expo web page, as you see here. You can find the agenda for the live event by clicking here to open it in a new tab, or clicking here where you can download and print off a PDF of the agenda. Below this video, you will find an exhibitor directory of our 22 exhibitors. It gives a brief description of each exhibitor and what their generous drawings are, valued anywhere from $50 to $800. The SHE Expo also has a grand prize drawing valued at over $500. To visit exhibitors and enter their drawings, you will simply click on the link from either the directory here or from the navigation over here. We're going to click on Allo Goods as our demonstration. And on each exhibitor's web page, you will take a look at what they have to offer, what their services are, what their products are. If they have a video, you can watch their video. You can also see what their Expo only offer is, as well as their contact information, their social media links, and if they have an email newsletter subscription link, that'll be here. You'll see what their drawing is, and then here is very important that you fill out every exhibitor's drawing form to get into all of those drawings. For every exhibitor drawing form you fill out on the exhibitor page, it also gets you an entry into the SHE Grand Prize drawing. So the way you do this is you're going to put in who the exhibitor is. This is Allo Goods. We're going to type in here, Allo Goods is the exhibitor that we're visiting. And then we're going to find that exhibitor's fun factoid, which you can copy and paste. That exhibitor's fun factoid is a cool little tidbit about them, and it's usually found above their video if they have a video. And you can just highlight that with your cursor and do a Control-C to copy their fun factoid so you don't have to type it in. And then you're going to come back down here and you're going to Control-V, paste it into the entry form. You're going to fill in your name, your email, and your phone number, and then you're going to hit submit to enter that exhibitor's drawing, as well as get yourself an entry into the SHE Grand Prize drawing. And that's the kinds of things that you can do on each exhibitor's page. Now, you will want to visit the exhibitors live because they'll have extra chances for you to enter their drawings, as well as some really cool demonstrations of their products and services. So to get to an exhibitor's live Zoom room, you're going to click either on their graphic here or on their link here. If you're ever asked for a passcode, it's always going to be SHE in all lowercase letters. When you visit this exhibitor, it'll open up a new Zoom room, and you'll enter that Zoom room. When you're done visiting that exhibitor, you're going to leave their Zoom room and close out that window, and you'll be back at this page. You can get to, again, another exhibitor by clicking over here, or you can get to another exhibitor by hitting just the Exhibitor Directory button here, and then you can go down here and say, oh, who do I want to visit next? Now remember, everybody should have been mailed an exhibitor checklist, and you can print that out and keep track of what exhibitors you have visited. Also, in the rare event our Expo website would go down, the exhibitor checklist that was emailed to you also has all of our exhibitors' Zoom links, so that you can still get into their Zoom rooms for all of their activities. And when you're done in those exhibitor rooms, come back to the main Zoom room for other exciting activities that we have planned, including our stand-up comedian, Andrea Vall, as well as all of our speakers and networking activities through the day. And again, you enter the main Expo Zoom room by either clicking on the graphic here or clicking on the link here. Again, if you're asked for a passcode, it will always be lowercase SHE. Pay attention to your agenda today and be back into the main Zoom room for all of the incredible speakers, entertainment, and networking activities that we have planned. I hope you have an awesome day at the Expo. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.